come over here.
Okay. I'm here. What do you want me to do?
We're unclamping, remember?
Unclamping?
Remember?
Is that saucy? No, is that code? No. Oh, that unclamp!
Yeah.
We've got a load of clamps we have to remove. Yeah, unclamping wood that we've laminated together. Oh, well, you see. Can I sit down and watch?
If you want.
Really?
Yeah.
But you're supposed to be all aggressive to me, like I'm henpecked and I'm under the thumb and you're in control of me.
No, I like doing this.
You like doing this? Can I make a suggestion?
What?
Why the heck are you throwing all the clamps on the floor? Should we get the boxes?
Might be a good idea.
We have actually discussed this already, actually. That's our idea.
Oh, there's a special one there. You want
Put
some...
the boxes. That means we ain't got to walk backwards and forwards to the clamp wall over there as many times. It makes sense, you know. It's called preparation. Shall I go and get the box for you?
Yeah, go
For
on.
the little clamps. Okay. The box that we stole from Sainsbury's. Yeah. Not that.
Not them ones.
No, look, they're on the wall, they. Them ones gone.
And that's a special one. So
Yeah.
just them
Oh,
ones.
Yeah, that's those ones. That's it. When you say special one, they've got little Bessie clamps. They've got their own little space, you see. And they've got the G clamps or C clamps, whatever you like to call them. They go on the clamp wall over there. Yeah. So the reason why we are unclamping is because we've glued these bits of wood together using Cascamite powdered resin wood glue. Yeah. Eureka glue. The name that sticks. Yeah, there. This is not, well, was it a sponsored video? But no money has exchanged hands. They just send me glue. I'm happy with that. So anyway, if you want to send me anything, I'll give you a mention. So anyway, so we're unclamping, declamping. So that's one of the ones, the special one.
Yeah, there's two of them there so far.
Yeah, we'll take this one here.
Oh, yeah, did you want to go and put them ones up?
No, I'll do all the blue ones first, because I'll put them in the same place, you see.
All right.
Pass me the blue one. Typical. Alright, there we go.
And another blue there.
Blue one there. Right, these clamps here from Axe. I think they're from Axminster or Rutland or something. And they were like €60 or £60 for 10 of these clamps. Really good clamps, actually. I'm impressed. So, okay, there's no one of it. Oh, God,
Is this another one?
no, that's a different one. That's what we call cheap Chinese shit. I can't remember when I bought it. It's probably 20 odd years old, if not longer. No, I had this in England. Yeah, I had these in England. Blimey. Rubbish. The Axminster ones are still probably Chinese. They're actually quite decent clamps. Put them on the clamp wall. Over here. Yeah. They've got their spaces. Right, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'll start with this. They got on here. I use them quite a lot because they're all the same. They've got something on the bed. And the clamps all poke at the bottom. What you don't want is your clamps to be different. Because unless there's the actual workpiece is sitting on on blocks and the clamps are clear from the bench, what you do is you can put a twist in, see? If the clamp is poked a bit further in one corner than the other. Let's place that there. There's 10 of those, so there's another 2 of those somewhere. Then we've got the record one, much better clamps to be fair. Older, but better. And this thing is full of clamps. This is actually Japanese clamp. This thing is strong as a box, this thing is. These are really good. Oh, you like them ones. Normally they go on that spot. Yeah, they go down here. So yeah, there you go. Make me bend. There we go, up there. We've got 4-inch Chinese and shit. That goes down the bottom. So I don't use 6-inch clamps off, apart from those ones. The 4-inch ones I do. Back to the missus! Oh, look at that bat! What you got there, darling? You got some clamps? What ones you got here? Okay, these ones are Dexter clamps. Dexter is like the store brand make for Leroy Merlin's. Yeah, they're actually okay. They're not too bad. When you think about some of these old drop boards or whatever they are, clamps, they can break. Now, if you've got something like a record or whatever, and you put a lot of weight in, you can bend I mean, you've got to put a hell of a lot of weight in them. Yeah. These ones will just snap off here or there, or even literally across here. I know that because it's happened before. Right. These ones here, little 3-inch ones, these are, because I was getting short clamps, you see, these ones are from the Brick and Marché here in France, and those ones, like I say, from Leroy Merlin's in France. Oh, you know there? Right, put these ones in there. Put one up there. 4-inch ones go there. Right, she's still at it. You're still working there, darling. You're lucky, aren't you?
There's one unclamped if you want. I don't know if you want to move it or what.
Not really, no. I want them to be hard at the moment. Yeah. I've got to true them all up, haven't I?
Oh.
We're going to probably do that live, we are, yeah. Do it live. Let's clamp it in here. This one here's a Bessie.
Whoops.
Oh, you're okay? Do you want to drop on your feet? This is a Bessie F-clamp. Excellent things these are, the Bessies. Now, the thing I'll say about these Bessies compared to the Revets, which I haven't got any, I'll show you actually. I'll take over. What are you doing, darling?
Another big one of them, another big ones.
Okay, one of the X-Men's to 6-inch. Oh, right, let me show you something. Over here, right, that's what this X-Men style one. That's Chinese. And there's a Revit clamp here. Now, these Revits ones are actually, I think they're actually better than the Bessie. Now, the reason for that is, as these clamps wear with use, this potentially, actually no, these ones are actually right, this is a bit adjustable. But let's say for instance, let's have a look at this next one. Yeah, I'll be. Right, you see there's no grub screw in there at all, or there, or there. Whereas the Bessie one here has got a grub screw there, right? So has Revit, different positions, one there. And what that does is, you can create adjustment. Now if you put a lot of weight on here, these clamps will effectively bend, right? And under pressure, you want that space. In fact, if anything, that grub screw is a little bit deep. So I'm going to adjust that. I'll do that now. I'll show what I mean. Right, let's grab the right size. Yes, right size. So what's happening at the moment with this one? That, as under pressure, that has a little bit of a gap at the back edge compared to the front edge. You want one's under pressure. You want that. You haven't got parallel jaws on your clamp. So that screw you can do a little bit, which will then get nearly there. That's it, now it's parallel. Now the jaws are parallel. But what that does is it gives you that adjustment on the back facing as these wear. Whereas sometimes, like these ones, when they wear on the bar, they will slip. These don't. You can see those little bits sticking in. Keeps it rough as well, doesn't it? Now, if that grub screw wears, you just change the grub screw. These things last forever. They're great. Really good clamps. I'm not really a fan of F-clamps, but I've been using them a lot recently, since I've been in France, because they're quite common here. So this one here, you've got the adjustment screw in a really awkward position, right next to the bar there. That is no good. You need an ordinary Allen key in there. Obviously, you can't twist it around, you see, because the bar's in the way. That little grub screw there, that pushes away from the side. Basically it alters the slag on the actual clamping head. But that was okay, that's actually parallel. See? That's parallel. Parallel jaws. It's important, you know? If you're clamping up anything where you don't want, for instance, horrendous damage at the edge of the shoe digging in. If it's flat, it's less likely, and also you get more even clamping pressure. If you're clamping boards together, that's quite important because otherwise you make boards pop if your clamps are not trimmed. What I mean boards pop, you put pressure from edge to edge and then it lift in the middle or go concave in the middle. So it's not very good. Are you done? Are you done yet?
Just about, yeah.
She's a good lass really, aren't you? You put up with me, don't you? I know why. Oh, you're nearly there! Oh my god. Should we lift us up? We're getting back now. There you go. One box of clamps. And you found the 4 little beds.
Yeah, they're on the floor together.
That's good. So I'll put these back under the bench. Draw back in. Do you know we've got little clamps in the other workshop?
Yeah.
In the barn, that's right. Across the driveway. aren't you? Blimey! Oh, crap, what's on the floor down here? Trip hazard! Trip hazard, oh dear.
You can pick them up if you want.
Oh, yeah, I've got again. Try to start with 6 inch. And I can put them away in my. That's what we're doing, so 6 inch. That's no heavier one, it's Paramo, sorry.
Here's another little one.
Over here. Random video, isn't it? Because there's no variation. Show off my clamps. That. Those three there can just go straight on. Down there as well. Wood away.
There, yeah.
4 inch.
They're the same.
What are
They're the
those?
same.
Oh, they're 4 inch. They're all 4 inch then, they're all.
Oh, but some of them are lighter.
Yeah, some are crap and some are. The direct ones are very good. But those Dexter ones I know aren't as good. They're weird kind of like cheap ass irons type stuff. Like monkey metal. And real monkeys! Yeah. Go! I'm dizzy then. Alright, so these ones are going to go on. Oh shit. Maybe they're not okay. 4 inch. 4 inch. Dexter, keep Dexter together. I like it to be easily organised. Like I mentioned a moment ago about using the same hands on the same project the best that you can. If it, little on there, not there at all.
You're special.
Little Bessies. Those little Bessies, not Bessie, darling. Dubai. I don't know who's Dubai, but they remind me of the best days, they do. Not Bessie. Can't even remember. I might have got a job.
And these go under here.
Well, I can lift them, my darling. Oh, crikey, ain't she strong? Yeah, they go in there, my darling. What came first? The standy box or the bench?
Don't know.
Oh, I imagine it's the standy box. It's the Sainsbury's box. Caroline, she's stolen the Sainsbury's. No, that's Sainsbury's. Are they Tesco's?
No, Sainsbury's.
They're Sainsbury's, aren't they?
Yeah. Anyhow, I'm going to go and do what I was doing.
Oh yeah, you're going to say.
Say bye-bye.
You're going to leave the microphone.
I'll see you later.
So
No, I
people
wouldn't
hear
take that
swearing
with
in the
me.
kitchen about me.
No, I was going to go.
She's very
I was
aggressive,
going up
woman,
to
yeah.
sort some things out.
You're quite frightening, in fact, aren't you? Yeah. Love you. Thank you.
Bye. Don't forget you still got coffee.
Oh, I like the coffee. Got to have my coffee. I've made, I need to clear this corner. I've got this little table there. I've got to finish making that. I started in videos making that tape, doing the top and stuff, and sort the legs out. I think what we're going to do with this little table, we're going to make it so we're going to ebonise the top and probably paint the legs, because it's going to take way too much time. And although I like wood, sometimes I don't like too much old looking wood. Makes any sense? Yeah. How do I explain that? Maybe it reminds me of my foisty grandmother. I don't know, that's what it is. You know when you go in old people's homes and it smells of mothballs. Like that. Anyway, what we done, okay, we have, let's grab you. We have declamped these pieces of wood that I laminated up yesterday. The glue has gone off enough, thankfully. I've got the wood burner on in here as well, so that's keep the place a little more toasty, so the glue's it's pretty much there now, no? So I think let's have a look. Still a little soft side. No, it's virtually there. Yeah, it's virtually there now. Yeah, that's there. It's still got a bit of rubbiness to it. That's fine. So anyway, that was a crazy video. Me and the missus unclamping my wood. Yeah, she loves to play with my wood. Oh, actually, no, that's a bit dream. Toodaloo.